Alright, what's going on, guys? We have our first interview real quick. Could you introduce yourself?
I am Brian Alcalzin from San Diego, California.
Dude, let's do a walk. Do you mind if we do a quick walk around with the build, point out everything?
Yeah.
Perfect. Look at this, man. It's a magic combination. Oh.
The trailer itself is on air suspension.
Oh, that's why I was looking at it. I was like, wait a minute. Oh, that's sick. Look at that. Oh, wow.
All right, you ready for this?
All right, let's see. It is truly amazing, man. Beautiful work. I like it too. You have more knockouts than I do. What is it?
They're both not hooked up, so when one empties, I switch it over to the other box.
Oh, sick. How many pounds of knots are you using?
I typically use a 75, and if I really need to, I jump up to 100 shot.
I see you have a 5-gallon tank here. Running AccuAir 2 444s or no? What size are those?
Yeah, 444s.
That's sick, dude. Man. I love, I'm really biased because I do like the blue and gold combination. That's my Z over there, and I just love that color together. It just pops so much. You know what? If you ever sell your truck, man.
Oh no, this is my baby.
Alright, wanna walk around and show us the interior real quick?
Well, I want to check out the rear brakes. It was a drum brakes. I converted it to disc brakes with dual calipers.
Notice that until you. Oh wow. You have a what do you call it? Hydro brake or no? It's just.
No, it's electric actually.
Oh really?
Electric hydro. So there's an actuator that pushes the cylinder.
Oh, look at this interior.
So the interior, that was actually completed from back in the days. It's full tweed. I kept it.
This looks brand new. Like seriously, like this is from back in, you said 2000s, 90s?
Yeah, back in the old school mini trucking days, everybody went tweed. So I started doing tweed.
That is mint. And I don't know how well you guys can tell this, but this paint looks like it's glass. Seriously. Oh, you're set. Cool little setup, man. Oh, wow.
So the front is also Willwood 2-piece rotors, Willwood brakes, QA1 shocks, and the upper control arm is an adjustable upper control arm.
So good, man. Wow. I like how you just had a spotlight coming down, so you're like, bam, look at me. And by far, this interior, the engine bay right here, you can eat off this. Like, look, I don't know how well, even looking at how well you wrap the headers, it is like consistent. Oh yeah, for sure. You need a step. There you go. Wow. Woo. Want to tell us a little bit about what you have under here?
It's the KA single cam. It's obviously running the nitrous is actually my second motor. So I blew it the first time, and then the second time around I went the right way and built the motor right so it could handle the boost. The headers itself is actually off of a 240. I had to customize it to fit the truck.
Whew, man. We got the brake booster all platinum, man, all gold, or polished. Chrome. I said platinum. Oh man, I enjoy every single piece on this. Even this titanium right here, you just have it just like that special color. You have to heat it. Goes right. Am I mistaken? Right? Taken right?
Yeah. I mean, I had a friend of mine build that for me. It came out really nice.
Here too, even like the battery, attention to detail is like my biggest thing I love. Even down to your little bolts and right here to your battery cover. Yeah. Yeah,
actually, like a lot of this stuff, like I said, they don't make stuff for this truck, so I had to I had to custom make it. Like here, this was a 4-inch pipe. I welded a piece on top, and it's actually a cover. It's this cover, and I chrome plated it. Same as with the cover for the reservoir there. It's like cut up some piping and then chrome plated. Mini trucking is making a comeback. Yeah, there's a lot of people getting into mini trucking, so it's coming back.
You want to shout out, plug your Instagram, social media, sponsors, right?
Instagram is polo_1904. Shout out to Success Truck Club and Team Ultra Speed.
Right on, man. And thank you again for interviewing with us, man. Love your build. Love your build.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
So.